Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In one of my previous videos, for which you can get the link in the above suggestions or in the details section of this particular video, we discussed that Greece is planning to acquire 18 Rafale fighters from France to face any threats from Turkey. We know that tensions arose during August 2020 when Turkey sent the research vessel Oruk Reis to map out possible oil and gas drilling prospects in water which was claimed by Greece and Cyprus. The NATO members Turkey and Greece have overlapping claims to continental shelves and rights to potential energy resources in the eastern Mediterranean. Greece has been very cautious and preparing itself to face any type of threats, and as per the latest update, Greece announced on September 12, 2020 about their intention to acquire 18 Rafale fighters to boost their air power. As per the contract, which might get finalized very soon, they are also looking for modernization of 10 Mirage 2000 to 2000-5 standard. Even though the good news is that the Turkish seismic research vessel, which is Oruk Reis, has returned to waters near the southern province of Antalya, but looks like Greece wants to be ready for any such instance in future as well. The latest update on their side is the plan to equip the 18 Rafale fighters which they are going to receive with the Hammer missiles. Yes, after India, Greece has also taken the decision to equip their newly ordered Rafale fighters with the deadly Hammer missile. France has always been helping nations in such conflicts, and that too most of the time when Turkey is involved in it. Even in the ongoing Azerbaijan-Armenia conflict, France has been supporting Armenia a lot. Coming back to the Hammer missile, Hammer, which stands for Highly Agile and Maneuverable Munition Extended Range Missiles, are air-to-ground precision-guided missiles which is developed by Safran Electronics and Defense. This weapon system has a length of 3.1 meters and a weight of 330 kilograms. Its operational range is said to be between 50 to 60 kilometers at high altitudes and 15 kilometers at low altitudes. The Armament Air Sol Modular Hammer missile consists of a variety of guidance kit and a range extension kit. The basic version features a 250 kilogram bomb plus the hybrid initial navigation system or global positioning system guidance. Other variants add infrared homing or laser guidance to increase the accuracy. The kits are fitted with Mk-82 warheads, including the smart bomb units. The easy-to-use missile supports operation with 125 kg, 250 kg, 500 kg and 1000 kg bomb units, and it can be reprogrammed during the flight as well. The propulsion system is fitted at the rear of the missile and consists of a solid rocket motor and 4 winglets for flight control. This combat-proven missile can operate in all weather conditions during the day and night. It has vertical strike capability and it can support deep strikes, close air support, air interdiction and anti-ship combat missions. This missile was launched using Mirage 2000 and Rafale fighter jets when it entered the service in 2007 with the French Air Force and Naval Aviation. Coming back to the news of Greece, as per the Greek news portal, the Hellenic Air Force pilots are training for the Rafale fighters in France, and looks like from September 21, a large-scale training exercise was held at 118th French Air Base. In addition to these Hammer missiles, for long-range strikes, the French fighters will also be equipped with the active radar-guided beyond visual range air-to-air Meteor missile. Guided by an advanced active radar seeker, the Meteor missile provides an all-weather capability to engage a wide variety of targets from fast jets to small unmanned aerial vehicles and cruise missiles. So that was an update on Greece's plan to equip their Rafales, which they would be getting very soon with the Hammer missiles. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.